Sands turn me to a zombie, can't pick up the phone. If I'm going by the family, I'ma need cologne. I'm just a kid with good and with a knee alone. She a good girl, I can't treat her wrong. Okay. Alrighty, so it is 3:14 on Wednesday, March 6th. Yeah, I had to look that up. My days be running together. I don't even know what day it be. So my face is already moisturized. I do moisturize my face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This is really good stuff. And it's not oily, and since it's water based, it's not gonna be oily. It just basically makes sure your face isn't dry. Sometimes I like when stuff kind of has my face like slippery, and then sometimes I don't. I didn't want that today. Alrighty, so here we're gonna use the Fenty primer. Yes, Fenty comes with the primer that goes with the foundation. Something that everyone pretty much knows. I'm just shaking it right now, getting all the product. Make sure nothing is separating or anything like that. Then I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand and work that all over my face. Priming is a very important part of your makeup step. You don't necessarily have to. It's your face, it's your life. Do what you want to do. But primer actually helps the makeup to stay on, helps it to last, helps it to look good, and it's always great whenever you can get a primer that goes with the foundation. And since Fenty has a primer and foundation that go hand in hand, these two both work best with each other. I've tried to use other primers other than Fenty's primer with my Fenty foundation, and it didn't turn out right. I didn't like it. So here I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. Everyone does their makeup differently, but I like to start off with my brows, so that's what we're going to do here. It's been so long since I filmed myself. I'm like trying to get back in the hang of things. Like, do I remember how to do this? Alrighty, so since Fenty does not have any eyebrow products, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Ebony. I really love this stuff. It's really good. It makes your eyebrows look so natural. Alright, so now we're getting into the brows. I'm using a really thin angle brush. It's a no-name brush. I'm sorry I can't give you guys the number. It's just a regular random brush that I like to use. Any kind of really thin point angle brush would work really good for you guys to get a really sharp edge and get a very crisp brow. I'm also going to be speeding this video up here so you don't have to sit here and watch me do my eyebrows in regular motion.
Everybody loves pussy, yo. Even females love pussy. Right. Females give other bitches compliments when you know they're bad as fuck. Gay or not. Am I right or am I wrong? Right.
I'm the type of nigga that you can't control. I still remember when I had the flying coach. Now it's first class floating in my diamonds cold. Roll a swisher, I'm just trying to see how diamonds smoke. I'ma put this dick deep inside her throat. Shorty from the south, she bumped us out of code. Fuck a fake, only real niggas follow code. If the homie smash, then I know you down to go. I ain't gotta tell her bust that pussy. Bitch, this ain't a movie, this is just an episode.
Sands turn me to a zombie, can't pick up the phone. If I'm going by the family, I'ma need cologne. I'm just a kid with good and put a knee alone. She a good girl, I can't treat her wrong. If I hit her first, then I can't leave alone. I'ma fuck her good when I'm in my zone. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol. I've been on the pills, I'm still rolling though. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol. I've been on the pills, I'm still. I tell her slow it down, let me pour for. Let me pour 8, then I might lose control. Ass clapping, she gon' throw it on that booty pole. All I smoke is good, that's an honor, bro.
Alrighty, right here I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows, you know, basically cleaning them up with some concealer. And you're going to see me do that and how I do it. Alrighty, so just like before, we're going to speed through the cleaning up process right here. I'm just cleaning my brows up, carving them out, getting them all prettified. So just enjoy that for a little bit.
Everybody love pussy, yo. Even females love pussy. Females give other bitches compliments when they know they're bad as fuck. Gay or not. Am I right or am I wrong? Right.
I'm the type of nigga that you can't control. I still remember when I had the flying coach. Now it's first class floating in my diamonds cold. Roll a swisher, I'm just trying to see how diamonds smoke. I'ma put this dick deep inside her throat. Shorty from the south, she bumped us out of code. Fuck a fake, only real niggas follow code. If the homie smash, then I know you down to go. I ain't gotta tell her bust that pussy. Bitch, this ain't a movie, this is just an episode. Sands turn me to a zombie, can't pick up the phone. If I'm going by the family, I'ma need cologne. I'm just a kid with good and put a knee alone. She a good girl, I can't treat her wrong. If I hit her first, then I can't leave alone. I'ma fuck her good when I'm in my zone. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol. I've been on the pills, I'm still rolling though. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol.
Alrighty, right here we're going to blend the concealer out. We don't want no harsh lines. We need everything to be smooth. This is not Beyonce. We do not want to see that halo. So if you still doing that halo around the eyebrows, leave that back in 2015, honey. We don't need to see that. We need it to be blended. It needs to look natural. So yeah, just keep watching me blend away.
Everybody love pussy, yo. Even females love pussy. Females give other bitches compliments when they know they're bad as fuck. Gay or not. Am I right or am I wrong? Right.
I'm the type of nigga that you can't control. I still remember when I had the flying coach. Now it's first class floating in my diamonds cold. Roll a swisher, I'm just trying to see how diamonds smoke. I'ma put this dick deep inside her throat. Shorty from the south, she bumped us out of code. Fuck a fake, only real niggas follow code. If the homie smash, then I know you down to go. I ain't gotta tell her bust that pussy. Bitch, this ain't a movie, this is just an episode. Sands turn me to a zombie, can't pick up the phone. If I'm going by the family, I'ma need cologne. I'm just a kid with good and put a knee alone. She a good girl, I can't treat her wrong. If I hit her first, then I can't leave alone. I'ma fuck her good when I'm in my zone. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol. I've been on the pills, I'm still rolling though. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol. I've been on the pills, I'm still. I tell her slow it down, let me pour for. Let me pour 8, then I might lose control. Ass clapping, she gon' throw it on that booty pole. All I smoke is good, that's an underbroke. She licking my diamonds, now her tongue froze. Pussy feel like heaven, I'ma curl her toes.
Alrighty, this is the finished look. This is the finished product, and I'm really satisfied with it. I'm really happy. Full Fenty face using majority Fenty products. I can't say all because my eyebrows aren't Fenty, and my mascara isn't Fenty, my eyeliner isn't Fenty, but everything else is. So I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I didn't. What kind of topics you want to talk about? And oh yeah, like I said, let's talk about Empire in these comments. Let's talk about these products in these comments. Let's talk about whatever you want to talk about. Let's talk about it. And as you know, it's forever and always peace, love, and soul on my ends. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Alrighty, we have now gotten to the end of the video. Let's get into these beautiful slow-mos and check out the makeup look.
Everybody love pussy, yo. Even females love pussy. Females give other bitches compliments when they know they're bad as fuck. Gay or not. Am I right or am I wrong? Right.
I'm the type of nigga that you can't control. I still remember when I had the flying coach. Now it's first class floating in my diamonds cold. Roll a swisher, I'm just trying to see how diamonds smoke. I'ma put this dick deep inside her throat. Shorty from the south, she bumped us out of code. Fuck a fake, only real niggas follow code. If the homie smash, then I know you down to go. I ain't gotta tell her bust that pussy. Bitch, this ain't a movie, this is just an episode. Sands turn me to a zombie, can't pick up the phone. If I'm going by the family, I'ma need cologne. I'm just a kid with good and put a knee alone. She a good girl, I can't treat her wrong. If I hit her first, then I can't leave alone. I'ma fuck her good when I'm in my zone. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol. I've been on the pills, I'm still rolling though. She just swallow kids like it's alcohol. I've been on the pills, I'm still. I tell her slow it down, let me pour a four. Let me pour an eight, then I might lose control. Ass clapping, she gon' throw it on that booty pole. All I smoke is good, that's an underbroke. She licking my diamond.
Wow, so tell me why. Okay, so I just got done filming and I went back to like look at the videos and everything, and tell me why nothing was recorded. Like I literally spent 30 minutes, almost an hour recording, and there was no footage. Like it literally only got me doing my eyebrows, but the rest of this, like the rest of my face, like none of this was caught on film. And I'm like, what do I do? Like, and you YouTubers out there, I know y'all know how I feel and what I'm going through. I know there's been times y'all recorded and y'all stopped and y'all was like, none of this shit was recorded, really? I don't even, the day's almost over with. Like, I'm supposed to be editing and putting the video together to put out. I can't redo this. I can't wash my face off and redo the whole thing. So I'm gonna have to start fresh and start again next week and re-record. Like, I don't even know what to do. Like, literally, like, I put this content together to give to you guys, and there's nothing to even show. Like, I guess I'll just vlog the rest of the day. I guess this, you know what, this is going to be a vlog video. It's not going to be a tutorial no more. It's going to be a vlog because I can't let this face go to waste. So I guess what I'm finna do, I haven't ate anything all day, so I think I'm just gonna go eat or go get some food. So I'll take you on a journey with me to do that. And then I'm gonna come back and eat. And then I'm gonna put my video together to post so you guys can see a non-Rihanna chit chat video. How lovely. You know, God just works in mysterious ways. The devil tried to destroy my whole thing. He tried to get me down, try to have me defeated, but I would not be defeated in today. Okay.